Turkish get-up is an exercise that trains mobility and stability simultaneously. It's also an exercise that develops body awareness and body control.
Start in supine position. Establish your grip by using two hands and set the object into proper pressing position. Post the same side foot, heel close to your butt, and keep the other hand at the 45-degree angle. Drive off your posted foot and shift the weight to the forearm of the free arm. Sit up all the way until the torso is nearly vertical. Use the leg on the same side as the locked out arm to press and lift your hips off the floor and push yourself into a seated position. With the other leg, move backward into a lunge position. Straighten the torso. Ensure the posted foot is directly under the knee and stand up to full leg, hip and kettlebell arm extension.
The Turkish get-up requires shoulder strength, core stability, leg drive, coordination and balance.
To finish the full movement, carefully reverse the steps to lower yourself to the floor and back into the starting position. Take the time and own each step before you move to the next one. The ability to maintain overhead stability is key in many lifting exercises and prevents shoulder injuries. Keep alternating the arms and try out different spots. The Turkish get-up forces you to create overhead stability from multiple positions and angles. For a warm-up, do 3 Turkish get-ups on the right and 3 on the left, or alternate them. Use 2 hands to safely lower the kettlebell to the ground.
Don't worry about weight. The Turkish get-up is about movement quality. Start with body weight, and the more you feel comfortable with the movement pattern, the more you can add weight.
3, 2, 1, go!